Merry Christmas, our dear people, our dear fans. Due to the fact that there had been a lot of ups and downs in this 2020, there had been starvation, there had been hardship, there had been a lot of killings, even in the Lekki toll gates, and also I even lost my both parents within a period of 2 months. It's barely 2 months now I lost my both parents. So that's even with all of these things, I think there's still reason for us to be happy. But if not for anything at all, at least we're still breathing, and for the fact that we'll see a better 2021. So let's be optimistic, let's be hopeful, and let's rejoice, because 2021 holds a lot of blessings, favor, and it's going to be a year of restoration. This is from Lezik TV, and for my beloved daughter here. So we're saying Merry Christmas and prosperous New Year ahead. We love you. Beverly, what do you have for them? Tell them we love you.